Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Sims 3 crashing or not launching. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss an important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. The first thing that you can do is to make sure to update the game. So after that, since many users faces issue, developers have already pushed an update with multiple bug fixes and performance improvements. So apart from that, it is very common for people to run the game with an outdated patch. So go ahead and check if there eh, is any new version available, and then you can just download and install it if there's an update. And then next, what you can do is to do not overclock. So one of the very common reason behind the Sims 3 crashing issue is when you overclock your GPU or CPU for better game performance. So overclocking is not bad if it is done with safe frequencies. However, if the frequencies are not right, not only will it crash the game at worst, but it may damage your system hardware also. So to prevent any possible damage to your system, developers implement code and algorithm that detects if your system is overclocked. So if you have overclocked the system, the service detects it and closes the game instantly. And to fix this, you only need to set the default frequencies of your GPU or your CPU. And then lastly, what you can do is to repair the game file. So if you have not overclocked your GPU or CPU, the game is already up to date. But if you're still getting the crash issue, then the chances that the game's files have been corrupted. So if you have recently updated your Windows or made any changes in the game settings or similar, then the game files might have got corrupted. So to fix this, you just need to run the feature that repairs the game file. So just follow the steps right here to do that. So first, just make sure that the urgent client is running and you are in the main dashboard of the client. And now on the left, you click onto the My Game Library tab, and on the right, you can now see all your installed games. Right click, just right click onto the Sims. And once you right click, choose repair game from the options. So as you can see here in the photo, and then finally follow instructions on screen and repair the game files. And so that's it for this video. Remember, you can always pause this video, go back to the video, and follow the steps at your own time. So I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day. Bye bye.